Caring of teeth. Hello friends. Today I will share my brushing routine with you.
I brush my teeth twice a day.
Once after I wake up in the morning and then later at night. We should brush our teeth for at least 2 minutes to clean our mouth completely and remove food particles. Use a small amount of toothpaste, not too much, just a pea-sized amount. Then start brushing your back teeth in small circular motions.
Brushing your teeth from top to bottom and bottom to top is also okay as long as you move your brush in small circular motions. Now reach back and brush the inside surfaces of your back teeth.
Brush the chewing surfaces of your teeth in back and forth motions. After this, clean your tongue. Lastly, you can spit out the excess toothpaste and rinse your mouth thoroughly. So,
always brush your teeth with a clean toothbrush which is in good condition.